Here we have this 67 plate BMW 320d M Sport Shadow Edition. It comes with £1,600 worth of factory extras. One to mention is the black sapphire exterior paintwork. We've got the LED headlights with the kidney grills in the centre, and we've also got the splitter at the bottom, making this front end look nice and aggressive. As we make our way around to the passenger side, you'll be able to see we've got the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels with a blue caliper behind. We've also got the side skirts at the bottom, privacy glass at the rear for the passengers with a black trim around the outside, colour-coded door handles and door mirrors with the colour-coded shark fin antenna and spoiler on the tailgate. As we make our way around to the rear, you'll be able to see we've got the twin exit exhaust to the left hand side, diffuser at the bottom, parking sensors running across the middle of the bumper. Now this vehicle does come free from any major marks, dents or scratches. As we just take a look inside the boot, underneath the BMW badge, just lift up. We've got plenty of space for whatever you may need, including the cargo net to the left for accessories. Hand inside and pull down, and as we just take a look at the interior, you'll be able to see we've got the all black leather. We've also got the ISOFIX points with the armrest in the centre, and we've got the electric windows on the door. Onto the front, you'll be able to see we've got the same styling front seats, all black leather. We've also got the electric windows on the door here with the electric side mirrors also. Premium Harman Kardon sound system, automatic lights with the automatic wipers, and the multifunctional steering wheel. Taking a seat inside, turning this vehicle on. My foot is on the brake, press the start button, and as you can see on the dashboard, we're free from any warning lights other than the fuel. We've got the cruise control and speed limiter on the left hand side with the paddle shift behind, and we've also got the volume buttons with the paddle shift behind also. Onto the main screen, we've got the satellite navigation. Now it will be flickering, and that is just for the purpose of this video. It does not happen in real life. We've also got the DAB radio and the Bluetooth media. We've got the Bluetooth phone connectivity. If we just go into menu, go into my vehicle settings, onto lights, you'll be able to change the interior lighting from sport to classic. Making our way down, we've got the dual climate control, heated seats on both sides. We've also got the heated rear window and the air conditioning. We've got a space for your key and accessories there with the cup holders, automatic gearbox with the different drive modes. So as I just press this, it comes up in the center of the dash, and also on screen, all the different drive modes in which this vehicle can be driven. We've also got the manual dial with the buttons here, handbrake, and we've also got the armrest. If we just lift up, we've also got a USB inside and a place for more accessories. Now I'm just going to pop this vehicle into reverse. You'll be able to see that we've got the rear reverse sensors just there, back into neutral, keeping this vehicle safe. Now that's all I'm going to show you guys today. For more information on this vehicle, you can head to the website or give our sales team a call. This car comes with a fresh MOT and a fresh service, and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.